First, drag and drop your photo in Lightroom or use the import button. Then use the library module to choose your favorite shot. Now go to the develop module and work in the basic panel. Now adjust the exposure slider to correct the brightness. Then use the histogram to ensure no clipping in highlights or shadows. And for white balance, use the eyedropper tool to click on a neutral tone in the image for automatic white balance correction. And you can fine-tune using the temperature and tint sliders for natural skin tones. Now slightly increase the contrast slider for better separation between highlights and shadows. Then reduce the highlights to recover detail in bright areas, and increase shadows to bring back details in dark areas. Then adjust the white and black sliders to define the image's tonal range. Now we're going to enhance the portrait with the masking tool. Use the masking tool and choose Select Subject to isolate the subject automatically. Then use the Skin Softening preset or manually reduce texture and clarity. Now create a new mask for the eyes and increase exposure and clarity slightly for a natural sparkle. Now use another mask for the teeth and lower the saturation while increasing the exposure slightly. Now we're going to correct skin tones and colors. First, go to the HSL panel and in the U tab, adjust the orange slider to fine-tune skin tones. Then use the saturation tab to reduce overly vibrant colors. Now apply subtle warmth to highlights or shadows using the color grading panel. In the detail panel, increase the sharpening slightly for facial features. Then use the masking slider by holding Alt or Options while dragging to limit sharpening to edges. And for finishing touches, use the crop tool to improve composition. Then stick to classic ratios like 4:5 for portraits. In the Effects panel, apply a subtle vignette to draw attention to the subject. And an optional step is adding a touch of grain for a film-like effect using the Effects panel. And once you're satisfied, go to File, then Export, then choose JPEG, then set the quality to 80% for web or 100% for print. Then save your adjustments as a preset to speed up your future portrait editing. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.